Take a moment to find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes, or if you'd prefer, allow them to rest softly on a single point in the room. Let your hands fall naturally, perhaps resting on your lap or by your sides. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and hold it for just a moment. Then release the breath slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension you might be holding on to. Take another deep breath in, even slower this time, feeling your chest expand, and gently breathe out, noticing how your body softens with each exhale. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm now, soft and steady. As you breathe, begin to draw your attention inward, turning away from the busyness of the outer world. This is your time, a safe space for you to simply be. No need to fix anything, no need to do anything at all. Just rest in this moment. Take another deep breath in, filling your body with fresh energy, and exhale gently, releasing any tightness or heaviness. Now, let's begin to bring awareness to your body. Start by noticing the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light resting there, soft and comforting. Feel this light begin to melt away any tension in your forehead, your temples. Notice how your eyebrows relax, your jaw softens. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Feel this soothing light travel down into your neck and shoulders. If you're holding any tightness here, allow it to loosen. Let it melt away. Feel your shoulders become heavy, sinking naturally as they release any weight they've been carrying. Now, bring your awareness to your arms. Feel them grow heavier and more at ease. From the tops of your arms, down to your elbows, and all the way to your hands and fingertips. Let any tension here flow out of your body with each exhale. Now notice your chest. Feel it rise and fall gently with your natural breath. Imagine the warmth of that soothing light filling your chest, calming your heart. Feel your abdomen relax. Let your belly soften. No need to hold it in or tense it. With each breath, notice how it becomes more and more at ease. Now bring your attention to your back. Feel the light spreading across your upper back, your middle back, and your lower back. Imagine it soothing any areas that feel tight or strained. Let your body sink even deeper into relaxation. Now shift your focus to your hips. Feel them softening, releasing any tension they might hold. Let this relaxation drift downward to your legs. Notice your thighs softening. Feel the release in your knees, and let this gentle relaxation flow down to your calves and all the way to your ankles and feet. Feel the soles of your feet soften and allow any remaining tension to flow out through your toes. Take a deep, cleansing breath in now, and as you exhale, feel your entire body sink deeper into stillness. You are fully here, fully present in this moment. Let's turn now to your breath. Notice Notice how it feels as it moves in and out of your body. There's no need to change it. Simply observe it. Feel the coolness of the air as you breathe in through your nose, and notice the slight warmth as you breathe out through your mouth. Let your breath anchor you to this moment. Imagine now that with each inhale, you're gathering up any stress or tension lingering within you. And with each exhale, you're letting it go, releasing it into the air. Inhale, gathering any worry or heaviness. Exhale, letting it drift away. Continue this rhythm for a few breaths. With each exhale, feeling lighter, calmer. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene forest. The air here is fresh and crisp. You can hear the gentle rustle of leaves as a soft breeze moves through the trees. Notice the sunlight filtering through the branches, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. Take a moment to simply enjoy the stillness of this place. Begin to walk slowly along a path that winds through the trees. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet. Notice the earthy scent of the forest. Each step you take, feel yourself letting go of any tension. With each step, you feel lighter. As you walk, you come to a clearing. In the center of the clearing is a calm, clear pond. The surface of the water is so still, it's like a mirror. You step closer and sit down by the edge of the pond. Looking into the water, you see your reflection, but instead of seeing tension or worry, you see peace, clarity. The reflection shows who you truly are, beneath any stress. Take a deep breath in here, drawing in the calmness of this place, and exhale slowly, letting it fill your entire being. Now imagine that each time you exhale, the water ripples slightly, and with each ripple, it carries away any lingering worries. Watch as the ripples grow wider and wider until they disappear completely. Feel the stillness of the pond reflecting in your own mind. Your thoughts quiet. Your body softens even more. When you're ready, gently rise from the edge of the pond. Begin to make your way back through the forest. Feel the strength in your steps. Feel the calmness in your breath. As you leave the forest, carry this sense of peace with you, knowing it's always within reach. Take a deep breath in now and let it out slowly. Let's return our focus to your body once more. Notice how your head feels now, your shoulders, your hands, your chest and abdomen, your legs and feet. Notice how much lighter, how much more at ease your body feels. Turn your attention to your heart. Imagine it glowing softly. This glow represents your inner calm, your resilience. Let it grow warmer, brighter. Know that this light, this calm, is always within you. No matter what's happening around you, this place of peace is yours to return to. Let's take a few final deep breaths together. Breathe in deeply, feeling the breath nourish every part of you. body with calm and clarity, and a slow, gentle exhale. One final deep breath in and release. Take a moment now to feel gratitude for this time you've given yourself. Gratitude for the calm and stillness you found. When you're ready to return to the world, you can do so slowly and gently, bringing this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day or evening. There's no rush. Take as much time as you need. And remember, you can always come back to this space whenever you need to release, to reset, or to simply be. Thank you for joining me today.